So this right here, fine grade premium hot leach acorn flour. I'm gonna make some acorn pancakes with this acorn flour that I have. There's whole wheat, half a cup of hot leach acorn flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 duck egg. Whoa, there we go. I can't do this one-handed, so you guys are just gonna have to imagine this part. Now, in addition to that, I used about half blueberry juice and half water for the pancake recipe. So this is gonna be really tasty. All right, look at that beautiful stuff.